Welcome to the second part of my tutorial. Here you can find out how to prepare parts for assembly. To achieve this, you will need the following tools: modeling clippers, modeling files, scalpel with replaceable blades, sandpaper with a grammage of 150 and 1000. You can buy those tools in every single model shop or internet. By reading instruction, you can see that this model can be built in few different versions. The first version is without Zimerit, while the second is with Zimerit. To make the model easier to assemble, we will choose a version without Zimerit. So if you see in the manual the information about the Zimerit, just skip it. Now let's take a look at the first point in the manual. As you can see, each part has a letter and a number. The letter represents a template and the number represents the part on that template. Let's find a C90 part. Take the C template. The letter of the template is usually at the corner of the template. Now find the number 19. If you got it, this is the part we are looking for. Now I will show you how I cut out the part by using clippers. As you can see, after cutting of the part, there is a leftover of the plastic. It has to be removed. To deal with that, take the file and gently remove unwanted plastic. Use minimum force to avoid damaging the part. After that, use sandpaper of gramatory 1000 to make the surface smooth again. The leftover is removed and the surface is smooth again. As you can see, during the process I also smoothed the corner, but it won't cause any problems in the future. When I clean up the part, I made a circle around the number of the part in the manual. That means I cut out the part from the template and clean it up. Later I will add the cross, and this means the part is glued to the model. This way will help you to organize the work. Now let's take one of the A19 parts and inspect it. As you can see, there is an ugly line on it. This is left over after molding process, and it has to be removed. We also have a small circle which have to be removed as well. If you have a trouble determining what should be removed and what should not, then it is worth looking for photos of our part on the internet to be sure. As you can see, there is no circle on the original part of the tank. Now let's clean up our part. I gently remove unwanted line by using scalpel. After that, I use sandpaper to smooth the surface. Next, I will remove unwanted circle. I use half circle file to do the job. I use minimum of force and inspect the part after several moves all the time. As before, I use sandpaper to smooth the surface. Next, I will remove unwanted plastic, which left after cutting process. I have a difficulty to remove the plastic by using file, so I use scalpel to do the job. Here is the finished part. Later on I prepare other parts. Now they are ready for glue. In the third part of the tutorial I will show you what types of glues there are and how to use them, and we will glue the prepared parts. If my video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.